Oh God, guys. Hold on. Okay. Okay, so, oh my God, I was gonna come on earlier and tell you guys what the heck I was doing, but then I totally forgot. Oh Lord, so let me just tell you now. Okay, so my neighbors, one neighbor on the side of me is Brazilian and the other people downstairs are Dominican. And as you know, my family is Puerto Rican. So we know how to make some Spanish food or whatever, but so lately, of course, they be cooking it up. They just be cooking it up. And the other day, the lady downstairs, the Dominicans, they gave me some sofrito. And I was like, oh my God, this shit was freaking awesome. So I was like, okay, today I'm going to Google it. I could have asked her for more, but I was like, let me just learn how to make my own. So I Googled it and I got all the recipe, the ingredients or whatever. The green pepper, the red pepper, the garlic, the onion, the cilantro, everything. Except there was ají dulce peppers. And that they did not have at Big Y because you have to find that at a Spanish place. And I couldn't find it. So I've made sofrito before without it. But I guess it's like a key ingredient. It's like a sweet pepper. Anyway, I am cooking it up. So come cook with me. You see me crying right now because the recipe calls for 5 yellow onions. Holy crap. I think I'm gonna only put 4 in there because I don't think my body could withstand another freaking onion. I'm telling you. Look, okay, so there's all the onions in there. Now I'm just gonna like chop away and then just throw the stuff in there because I don't really know if like there's a certain way to like put the ingredients in there, but that's what I'm about to do. So come along and watch me make some sofrito. All right, so this will work. So we just did the onion. Now we're gonna do the garlic. Actually, we're gonna blend this because, oh, and I had to get some olive oil. So we're just gonna eyeball it. And then like, if I forget how the hell I did it, I could just, how the heck, the thing, okay. I forget how I did it. All I gotta do is go back to this video. So we did the onions. Now we're gonna put some olive oil in it. I just tried to put the top on like that. What a dork. I'm gonna blend it. Onions done. And we're going to do the garlic. It calls for 2 whole garlics. I don't see that this blender is going to be big enough. I'm really thinking that it's probably not going to be. And so I really don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know. Okay. I should have just got the other ones. I don't even know how to open a garlic. I usually get minced. Peel the garlic. Actually, that is going to smell. Garlic and onions gonna be coming out my pores, y'all. Here's one. Dropping in. I don't know how people eat like raw garlic. I just don't even know. This is only 2. Woo! Girl! They say garlic is good for you. I'm going to fast forward the clip now because, or I will come back after I'm done with the garlic because this is just boring. Here comes poor little Leo.
What's going on, guys? Oh. Damn, it's gotta see the stomach muscle. You know what? I just want some water.
Some water?
Yeah.
Really?
I'm broken.
You drinking water?
I drink lots of water.
can't even see you. They just hear you slurping.
Good. They know what I'm doing.
I dare you. Take a bite. Oh my God! You know that's good for your heart. Don't spit it out. Get in the camera. Chew it.
What is it?
It's garlic. Is it hot? Spicy? Good thing you ain't gonna be around nobody, because that junk is gonna stay and come out your pores.
Why'd you do this?
You bit it.
You said to.
Oh God! Let's just make him breathe in the sofrito, and then we don't have to put no garlic in it. You might need a drink now.
Yeah, I do.
Hey.
And a piece of
wow. These were big ones.
Do you have any
the other
gum?
ones were small.
I don't want my breath smelling.
Yeah.
What is that? What do you mean? I don't understand that.
Like, garlic comes out of your pores. Like, if you eat it, you'll smell like garlic.
Really?
Like this, yeah.
You say, no,
It's good
don't
for you,
spit it
though.
out. That smells garlic.
It's good for your body.
It's in
Though.
your room over here?
It'll detoxify you. Maybe it'll...
It's over here?
No. In
It's
my
in your
bedroom.
room.
My bedroom, sorry.
Oh, I gotta go. I have to run. To the whole...
You're going that way anyway.
No, it's fine. But where? Where in the bedroom? Because I need
On my dresser.
Okay, thank you. Oh my God. This is terrible. Why did you do this?
Almost done, guys. What? The taste?
Yeah.
Gotta try something at least once. I would never even try to eat a garlic. I mean, I eat garlic, but I never like tried a whole entire piece. I like that. Doesn't he smell it? Doesn't he smell like garlic? And these, my friends, my fine friends, are some kind of pepper. Cabarillo? Something like that? I don't know. I'm pretty sure that's what it kind of is. And it's supposed to be sweet. It's supposed to be like a sweet pepper. It's sweet. That I will taste. Mmm. Very good. A lot of seeds. Gotta take the seeds out. A 1. A 2. I cut a hole from the top and the bottom so I could like put the water through it. Anyway. So, this is way later in the day. I apologize. But I made the sofrito and then I like put it away and then I was like, oh shoot, I forgot to show you guys. So let me show you what it looks like. Now, this still tastes different than what they had downstairs. Okay, can you see it? Okay, that's what it looks like. But, and so I made a gigantico pot of arroz con pollo. We don't have beans because hubby is the only Puerto Rican that I know. Well, no, I do know a couple of people who are Puerto Rican who hate beans, but he doesn't like beans, so I can't put no beans in it, even though I like beans. I went downstairs to my Dominicana friends, and I had her try it. So she took some, and she ate it, and she said, muy bueno, que rico, Melissa. So I got the taste test from her. So she's Dominican, but she's from Puerto Rico, so I trust her. And she said put a little bit more salt in it, and maybe a little bit more onions. But I don't think you guys saw all them onions, and you saw me crying in the beginning of that video. So I was like, I can't put no more onions. But she said something about pimentos, but I didn't put those in. But she said it's good. It is just perfectly fine. So I am gonna let you guys go for now. Thanks for coming along, cooking with me. I am going to leave the recipe right in the end of this video, so you too can make the same sofrito as me. Alright guys, so until the next video, I'll catch you on the flip side. Mom's coming over. I gotta fix her hair. She said, the top's too dark. I need more highlights. I'm like, Ma, your hair looks just like mine, okay? She wanted it like that. She is just the pain in my booty. Any hairdressers out there, do not touch my mother's hair. Because if she walks into the salon, just run away. Just run. She's the most difficult. Actually, you know what? She ain't even difficult when it comes to the salon people. She just do it. She just does it. But because I'm her daughter, she can be like, oh, can you do a little bit here and take a little bit there? You see how it's this and blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Okay. That's enough of blabbering. I gotta hurry up because she's about to come. So, goodbye. Happy eating.